Good morning all. This is Nishanthani, your computer teacher. Okay, today we will learn about the chapter 1, networking. Okay, first of all, what is networking? Networking is otherwise called internet or web. Okay, and this is the topics we are going to learn today. First one is evaluation of the internet. In this topic, we will learn the history of internet. Next one is a www and web page and web client and server, HTML and DHTML. Okay, let's see the topics one by one. Okay, why we are using internet first? Because with the help of internet you can access, you can send and receive your data. That is the communication purpose. You are using the internet for communication purpose and playing games and education's purpose. Okay, with the help of internet only you and me are communicating, right? Through the videos and through the online classes. So next one is a medical. In the medical fields also there are a lot of people are using a internet. Why? Because in medical field the doctors and nurses are using the internet because to store a patient's data. Okay, so next one is a railway station, and railway stations also using the internet because of them, their uses. Okay, next, sometimes the internet is working through the satellite cables. Okay, so some of the worldwide networks are always prefer the satellites. So next one is the cables. Cables is only used for the local networks only. Okay. Next, the types of network is a local area network and wide area network and metropolitan area network. Okay. Just know what is this, how it is working only. We will learn the briefly about this in next class. Okay, first, LAN area network is the one kind of local area. It is used only for the locals. Okay, in for example, in our schools only use this local. For example of a local area network is in our school we are having also networks. Okay, in the network the other people cannot be used, so that is the local area network, and it is only used in our campus only. Okay, next, wide area network is it is a worldwide area network, so any people can access this. Okay, that is the Airtel Idea. These are all the worldwide area network, and it is working with the help of satellites. Okay, and the next one is a metropolitan area network. For example of metropolitan area network is the in our Vilpuram only working with the help of metropolitan area. The other district does not use this kind of network. Okay, next one is a. Okay children, what are the advantages of internet? First one is the data sharing. With the help of internet, you can share your data anywhere in the world. Okay. Next one is hardware sharing. It means if you having a printer, okay, you having a two printers or three printers, but you having only one system. Okay. With the help of internet, you can share your data in the three printers. That is called a hardware sharing. Okay, and then third one is the internet access. The internet access means you can able to search anything on the internet. Okay, next one is the usage of network based application. In the nowadays the usage of network is very improved. Okay, so there is two types. Standalone, there is one type, that is a standalone applications. Okay, in standalone application there is no need to access the internet, but the usage of network based applications is the without internet you cannot access the application. The next one is a www. Okay, let's see this. What is www? Okay, you just go to the Chrome or any user any browser. Okay, just click the browser. Okay, So furtherly, what is www means? It is a web address, okay, and the world wide web. Okay, the extension of www is the world wide web, and it is commonly known as the web, okay, and is an information system and where documents and other web resources are identified by the uniform resources located, that is URL. Okay, so this is the example. See, https www dot exam.com. okay, so here I have given the URL of the exam. Okay, if you're just give the exam means the computer is automatically take up your information as the URL setup. Okay, like https. Okay, so if you give anything like your language, the computer is actually taken as URL setup. Okay, that is http www.exam.com or www.youtube.com or www.facebook.com. okay, so the www is a combination of all resources and users on the internet, okay, that are using the hypertext transfer protocol. Okay, how it is working? Because of http protocol. Okay, with the help of http protocol it is working. Okay, see, first one is a http. okay, this is the protocol name. See here, https. okay, the https is sense hypertext transfer protocol. okay, and it is the address of the information. okay, www sense it is the worldwide information. okay, it is the world wide web is the universe of network. okay, it sends universe of network. okay, and then the web is commonly known as internet. okay, what is the https work? https work is a if you are if you are searching any information on the URL tab, the https is used to search your informations on the server, and then it pick up the informations from the server. So this is the job of https. okay, what is web page? actually, a web page is a collection of websites. okay, so web page are stored on web servers. okay, and can be viewed using a web browser. what is web browser? it may be a Chrome, Firefox, or anything. it is called a web browser. okay, the place of searching is the your web browser, and a web page can contain huge informations, right, including the web page having maybe text, graphics, audio, videos, and hyperlinks. okay, so a document which can be displayed in a web browser such as Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Internet Explorer, or Apple Safari. okay, in Apple brands they are using Apple Safari. okay, so it is stored in websites. So okay, what are the most common web pages? Web page elements are links, paragraphs, headings, and images, videos. So it is the commonly here I have given only the names, right, but it is automatically created the link of I have given, right? So no need to give any links. If you don't know the link, you don't need to give a link. So the system will automatically change the content as link. okay, then the web page. okay, so intle ethana pages vandalum it is called a web page. okay, and usually the web pages are created by HTMLs. Okay, HTMLs is the number one program for creating a web pages. Okay, so a web page can be accessed by entering a URL address into the browsers. Okay, so this is the address bar. You can insert your URL in this tab only. Okay, next one is a web client. Okay, what is web client? In general, all of the machines on the internet can be categorized as two types. First one is a server and clients. Okay, the all system having a server and client, and those machines that provide service like web server or FTP servers to the other machines or servers. Okay, so and the machines that are used to connect to those services are called clients. Okay, client is used to show you the data on your computers. Okay, nothing but if you are searching anything, it shows you it shows to you, right? It is a web client. It is a machines, and it refers to computers which are accessing the world wide web by using the web browsers on the user's machine. User's machine is the otherwise called web client. Okay, next one is a web server. What is a web server actually? A web server is a computer that runs websites. It is a computer program that distributed web pages as they you're requested. Okay, if you're searching the Nahar Public School website, the web server is produce the school website. So the server is used to search that information. Okay, so if you're searching anything or if you're stored anything on the internet, everything is stored on the server. So the server is used to show your data, and it is used to store your data. Okay, HTML. What is HTML actually? HTML is the hypertext markup language. Okay, it is the one programming language, and it is used to create a web pages. Okay, web pages and websites. Okay, next here I have given a example of HTML program. Okay, you can see the example codings of HTML. Okay, with the help of codings you can create a web pages and websites, and if you want to create attractive web page, means you can include the CSS files